All right, if you want to create clean, engaging YouTube-style presentations using Gamma AI, this guide will show you how to do it step by step. First, log into Gamma and click Create New to begin your presentation. Now, select the presentation option so Gamma builds your content in slide format. Next, enter your topic, something like your YouTube growth tips, or how to make money online. If possible, define your audience, like beginners, creators, or business owners. This helps Gamma tailor the content better. Click Generate, and Gamma will create your full YouTube presentation instantly. Yeah, it structures everything for you. Now adjust your slides for YouTube, keep text short, use bold points, and make everything easy to read. Add images, icons, or even charts to make your presentation more engaging. Visuals are really important for YouTube content. Structure your slides based on your narration. One idea per slide works best so your audience doesn't get overwhelmed. You can export your slides or use them while recording your video. Yeah, this helps keep your presentation smooth. Finally, record your YouTube video while going through your slides. Speak naturally and stay confident. And that's how you use Gamma AI to create YouTube presentations. Once you master this, your videos will look way more professional.